The shape of perlite monomer is firstly related to its internal factors, such as structure and composition. With the continuous improvement of perlite ball press in these years, and the increasing expansion of the market size, the following important suggestions hope that you can read through. A replacement of the big horse car motor. Big horse car, in addition to waste energy, easy to cause equipment damage. 2. New purchase of perlite ball press. Should first consider the selection of saving motor, and then test other performance indicators according to demand, in order to save energy. 3. Reasonable installation of large ball press parallel low voltage capacitors for reactive power compensation. Effectively improve the power factor, reduce reactive power loss, save energy. 4. Reasonable adjustment of large briquette ball press equipment motor matching use can make the motor run in the work area to achieve the purpose of saving. 5. To improve the efficiency of large ball press machine itself.